everyone. So I've been wanting to do a, I guess you could call it a Christmas home tour for a while now. Mostly just to show you guys, especially those of you that are new to my Instagram page or to this channel, all of the DIYs that I've made for this season, using basically everything is mostly Dollar Tree and some Walmart things and Target Dollar Spot as well. So I'm gonna take you through my house and show you some of the things I've made, some of the decorations that I have, and also some things that are just special to my little heart. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, so we'll start here at the front door with this wreath that I made. This one is probably one of the hardest things I've made, but I think it turned out really pretty. Everything is from the Dollar Tree there, and then this doormat. I could not believe the price of it. I think it was $5.88 from Walmart. And these two pillows are also from Walmart. They were $5 each, and they're indoor outdoor, but they have more of the texture to be outdoor pillows. And over here, my daughter Sophie made these. I thought it was so clever. They're made out of dried gourds, and then she just did this on her own. She painted them and added little scarves and hats and all that. Coming into the entryway, the hello sign is from Ross or TJ Maxx, I can't remember. But this is all from Dollar Tree. I just got some garland and folded it in half. And then I had the silver garland with the ornaments from a previous year that I mixed in there. And this is just a Dollar Tree hurricane vase with a candlestick and a bow and some reindeer moss and the little wooden branches. That sign is from Dollar Tree too. This is something that my mom gave me quite a few years ago. And this is the one I showed you guys before from Dollar General. It was only $6 and I thought it was pretty good quality for that price. And up here, I made that Noel sign out of a Dollar Tree kitchen cutting board. This chair and the pillow is from IKEA. I got it on sale during summertime. I think it was $5. But this is an antique chair. It belonged to my mom and to my grandma before that, and don't hate me, but I painted it. I know that makes some people cringe, but I like the color. Here's another wreath I made. Everything is from Dollar Tree. Got the little red truck. Oh, that one was from Walmart, the little red truck. Everything else is from Dollar Tree. And these wreaths I've had for years. They're from Dollar Tree too, and I need to give them a little makeover, but it's just not gonna happen this year. Maybe add a different bow. And here's a picture of Christ. My mom gave this to me when I very first got married, so I always try to keep it out and remember the real meaning of Christmas. This here is probably my favorite DIY of this season. I'm not sure why. It took me literally like 3 minutes. The candle I made, you guys recognize the glasses from Dollar Tree. Hi, Mom and Dad. And here's my tiered tray. I made the tray with things from the Dollar Tree, and everything on it I think is from Dollar Tree too. Except for the stand that the owl is on, and then the cup that says hot stuff, that was from Walmart. I love the little plaid owl. And down below, I didn't want to do anything to the trailer. I don't like the glitter, but I thought it was cute as is. This one, I hated it at first. I told you guys about it on my Instagram, but I ended up liking it, and so I kept it. I didn't throw it away like I said I was going to. Fun little snow globe. And I made that ornament, everything from Dollar Tree. And this is just a Dollar Tree candle with the little Dollar Tree, I don't even know what they called it, but it's round in the center, and you just stick the candle in it, and there you go. So here's another view of my entryway, and yes, the wires hanging down drive me crazy. This sign was a gift to me. I want to put it on our mantle, but it blocks the sensor to the TV, so I can't. And that bottom sign is from Dollar Tree. And if you didn't know, I like skulls, so I actually love this deer head and I always dress them up for the holidays. This is another one of my favorite DIYs from this season. The jar is from Dollar Tree, and I just stuck 2 of their decorative picks in there, and that was it. I had to get one of their little metal tins, and then this is from Target Bullseye Playground, and you can switch out the signs in that too. This is probably another one of my favorite DIYs of the season, and I didn't think this one got a lot of love on my Instagram. I was kind of shocked because I loved it. And then down here, a joy sign, that was a gift too, and then the sequin pillow is from Dollar Tree, and it's bothering me that it's not all green, so let's just fix that real quick. Oh, other way. Okay. Now we're all green, we're good. This wreath I made, everything again is from Dollar Tree. Peace on earth. And then for this next part of my hallway, it's not really Christmas, but it is very special to me. The song Be Still My Soul is like sacred to me for a number of reasons. I'm not gonna get into that, but it is my favorite song, my favorite hymn, if you will. So I have both of those things I got from Jane.com, the music to it that you see on the left there, and then the galvanized metal cutout was from Jane.com. And I surrounded these with special times from my life. So when my kids were tiny babies, which you know is just precious and fleeting, that's my daughter and that is my son. And I made these, and I was too cheap to print off a large canvas, so I just bought a canvas from Hobby Lobby and then printed off a larger picture from Costco and glued it on. And right here is my last family picture that we were able to take. My mom right here passed away about 5 years ago, and that's my husband, my son, that's me and my daughter, and that's my brother and his wife and their daughter, and then my other brother and his wife and their 2 little boys down there, and my other brother, and I forgot to point out my dad, obviously, but that's my dad in the center. And this is my most precious wall in my house. Okay, for the Christmas tree, we've got the baby Jesus. This was a gift from a friend quite a few years ago, and it's one of my kids' favorite things. I don't know how they did it, but they made a manger and then cut out some burlap and wrapped the doll up. And I'm just going to scan up the tree a little bit to show some of the ornaments. Most of them are made by my kids or from Walmart or Dollar Tree, so I'm sure you will recognize a few. And there is no rhyme or reason, there's no theme, there's no matching, it's just a bunch of colors thrown on there, and I still love it. Little gingerbread man, handprint reindeer, how sweet. And I had to throw the red truck on there with the Christmas tree in the back. Some wish lists from my daughter from 2017. There's her cute picture. And props to teachers for helping them create these priceless ornaments at school. We love them. I like the Santa, he's from Dollar Tree too. Little thumbprint reindeer by Sophie. And also the blanket as a tree skirt. I like how it turned out. It's not quite round, but there's the tree. Okay, on my ottoman here, I got this tray from TJ Maxx a while ago, and I have no idea where the Santa is from. And this candle my grandma gave to me. Ouch! Ooh, well, it's fake. but I think it looks really real, so I love it. This is all Dollar Tree. The white poinsettias and the jar that they're in, I painted and distressed, and I like how it turned out. This is my second tier tray. The lighting is not great here, but you can see everything that's on there. It's mostly all from Dollar Tree, and then I made the tray with Dollar Tree items too, and then wrapped twine around the candlesticks, and it took forever. And I love this little pillow. I got it from Amazon. Here's the other 3 pillows that came in that same set. This was last year that I bought them, so I don't know that they're still on Amazon, but I just typed in Christmas pillow covers and that's what came up. Here is the Dollar Tree Noel placemat pillow that I made with hot glue and stuffing from another pillow. Too easy. A lot of you ask about this chair. It was my mom's, and again, I think she got it from her grandma. I mean, her mom, my grandma. My daughter made that tree. These joy blocks were my mom's. I was gonna make a little candy themed area, and that's about as far as I got, so there it is. Now, moving into the kitchen. I love this one too. I just stuck a bunch of Dollar Tree greenery and berries into one of their red larger jars and wrapped it with ribbon. And I made this wooden bead thing too. And then the tray I made with a plastic Dollar Tree cake stand, I think it was. And this one is another Dollar Tree DIY. I glued 2 of the white trees together and then just threw a bunch of ornaments on there. It's a mix of Walmart and Dollar Tree items. Put it in a little box. And then the runner across the table is just a scarf from the Dollar Tree. And I love maps, so I'm showing you my map. And then I love this light fixture. I think the people that lived here before us made it, and it's one of my favorite things. Here's another tree I threw together with Dollar Tree and Walmart items, and my elves. This is Buddy, and he was naughty today. He did a little poop where he shouldn't have. And this is Flower. And these are some other Dollar Tree items. I think most everything in here is Dollar Tree. And this little thing over here, some of my sweet friends had this made for me right after my mom passed away. I don't know if the girl still paints them, but basically you send her a picture and she will paint, she'll turn it into a peglet is what they're called. This is a Dollar Tree card in a Dollar Tree frame, super easy. This was my mom's, and this was my mom's too. This is a bath mat, but I got it for half off from Target, so it was only $4, and I put it in front of my kitchen sink, and I just love it. So this little diva is kind of spoiled. Daddy said yes to this giant unicorn. Mommy said no, but when Daddy says yes, Sophie gets what she wants. So I asked her what her favorite Christmas decoration in the whole house is, and Sophie, show us what it is.
Well, I have 3.
3? Wait, which one?
The snowman.
The snowman. Cute. That's something that I made, so thank you. And what are the other ones?
That one?
The other one I made?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, and the third one? What is it? Where? Oh, she picked all 3 that I made, you sweet girl. Are you trying to get more presents? I already showed that one, but that's one of her favorites. And then this is a favorite every year. The baby Jesus. Thanks, Sophie. And what's your unicorn's name?
Twinkle, sparkle,
Twinkle, Sparkle, yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
bye, Soph.